Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to find touchscreen driver for Lenovo Yoga 260 model number. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Lenovo website. Here you can see Yoga 260 laptop and click on manual update and then select the right operating system from here. So if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 8, select Windows 8 and then scroll down, and over here you can see touchscreen firmware update tool, and click on this down arrow, and here you can see touchscreen firmware update tool, and over here you can see the download icon. Click on it and this will download the file, and then run this exe file, and this exe file will help you to install touchscreen driver on your Lenovo computer. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Click on accept, then click on next, install and let the installation complete, finish, and then restart your computer. After this, restart your computer, and after the system restart, check the touch screen. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.